Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Wednesday, the 11th of September 2024. The ASX 200 Index closed lower today. Unsurprisingly, in response to the supply drawn out yesterday, the market attempted to pull back and test the market for supply. Everything was going favourably until early afternoon when persistent and ongoing supply was drawn out and price was pushed even lower in response. There was a secondary attempt to recover late in the day. This is the intraday chart. There was a little sideways uncertainty at the open. This is the opening bar here. It was a little up bar. You see price went sideways for almost an hour. Price eventually pulled back and appeared to be comfortably trading in consolidation and absorption mode until about midday in an orthodox manner. And here is the pullback. Had price on the springboard here. And then price traded sideways in consolidation mode and began to recover before supply began to be drawn out here. After lunch, price was forced lower when increased supply was drawn out. There was a moderate attempt, however, to recover later in the day. And here's where supply was drawn out during this period in the afternoon and the attempt to recover later in the day. Back to the daily chart. While spread was reduced, as is expected for a legitimate test for supply, it was still a little wider than what may be considered ideal. The increased spread likely reflects the increased supply that was drawn out after lunch today. The close was about mid-bar, reflecting the battle between supply and demand, which is quite evenly balanced at this point in time. And that should really be noted, that there is quite an even balance between supply and demand right now. You're getting demand coming in on bars like this, and then almost immediately supply is being drawn out. So there's definitely a battle between supply and demand taking place right now, and the market's really reached an equilibrium sort of in this level here at the moment. Volume increased a little to the highest level this week, but it was about average overall. Overall, the market is attempting to absorb the supply being drawn out. The sellers may hold a slight upper hand and supply remains persistent. Price, however, appears determined to hold on at this point in time, or at least attempt to do so, and price has not yet broken down. At the close of trade, the local market finished 24 points lower. Thanks for your time. See you again tomorrow. See ya.